how to edit a page. Once you log in, you'll navigate to the page you want to edit. Go back to the how-to videos. So you want to spruce this up a little bit. You got a taskbar here at the bottom. Click on edit on the page you want to edit. This is a section. Here's the section control here. To move the section height, adjust, you want to put a scroll icon. This is also for the section. Size of the content, text, animate. So let's add a new section. You've got a task or toolbar here. Click on add. We're going to add a new section. You have basics, sliders, video. This is for custom programming, headers, articles, profiles. And you have also more here. Coming soon, page not found. Now, any of these layouts can be changed. They're just set up under some certain, if you wanted to use features for something else, you could, oh, this is editable once you add it. So let's just add a basic. And automatically put it at the bottom, but we want to move it to the top. So we'll move section up. And now it resides at the top. And let's say you want to change the photo. There's a couple of different ways to do it. You can click here and browse anywhere on your desktop. Find the picture you want. And you can see the text. It's not showing up, so there's a couple different things you can do here. If you click on your little wrench here, go to your image. We want to do an overlay of black. And then we want to up that transparency. So you still get the image, but you can also see your text. Want to add a little scroll bar. And any of these boxes can be moved out of the way. And so you want to do it light or dark. And then to edit this, you click here and you'll get all your toolbars for this. Now you can highlight. So let's say you want to make this box, is what I call this, inside the section. So you can go here and go to your content, or I'm sorry, here, and you can widen this out. If you want to center it, just click your text, center. Or you can actually also do content. You can move it around and within inside the section. You've also have your bold, italics, full color background. Type of font you want. This pulls from Google's fonts. And of course you got your bullets, asterisks, indents. And then if you want to change your font size, you just plus and minus here, or you can actually choose what pixel you want. And then also if you wanted to add icons, here's the icons. And this is preferences for the toolbars. Once you're done, hit publish, and here's your published page. So we've added this top section with a nice image, added some text, added your little arrow here, and there's your how-to videos. And you can change this to whatever you would like. I'm going to pause for a second. Alright, now I'm going to show you the second way to get a photo. We want to edit this page again, so you go back to edit. And you click on the wrench of the section. This image browses your desktop. You click here. You can change the background if you do not want a photo. So you could actually go here and change it to black. You can darken it. And if you know the hex of the color, you can add the hex here. And these are some preloaded images. It pulls from Pixabay. Currently they're not searchable. I'll add that in the next couple. Either the next or after release. But they're just free stock photos that you can use. There's some very nice photos. Just depends on what you want to use. You may utilize this or may not, but it's here if you choose to. And basically you find one you like and you just double click it. And I'm also going to add a loading feature, but if you look down the lower left, you'll see where it says waiting for. That means it's thinking. And my internet's a little slow right now, so I'm going to pause it till it loads. Well, it loaded up. And there's your photo. And it just pulls it in from Pixabay. And then you publish and you're all set again. So there's two different options to add a photo. Alright, now if you come over to the frequently asked questions page, and you can see right here it's no entries found. When I created this page, I created it as a listing. And if you click under settings, you can see I've done it as a simple listing. And we've also got the accordion style. So I'm going to use a simple listing for right now. Publish that back out. Alright, so when you're under the frequently asked questions page and you want to add one, you make sure you're at the FAQ. Click Add New. Your question will be the title. You hit Publish. Let's add a second one. Now to get to the answer, you click the actual question. It'll take you to the answer page. Click on Edit. And then you can format this and you can get into as much detail with the questions you can, and the simple FAQ is a little more flexible because if you do have video or pictures that you want to add at any point while you're typing, if you click on here and you can add an image. It's going to do a placeholder image. Click on the image itself. You will see the small image link where you can link it if you need to link it, and you can actually edit it. So if you just wanted to do a, let's say 6x4, hit apply, and format it to a 6x4. To upload the image, you click here. You find the image you want. And let's say we want to add another paragraph. Add another paragraph. If you need a header, click on header. Add your header. If you want to move that header up, you got your little arrows here. You can put it above the paragraph. If you want to delete any of this, if you want to delete the whole block, you click in the summary first, or I'm sorry, the paragraph first. Click your little X. And so you don't want the picture. These right here are breaks. So as of right now, you wouldn't utilize these for this type. So I'll go in and take that out of the initial template once you publish a page. So you won't see that except on the pages that you'll need it or you may use it. So you've got sections over here too. Or these are little snippets of content blocks. And if you scroll down, you'll see the video. You can drop in the video. And then you just link. You just need your YouTube embed section here. So once you get this like you like it, you hit publish. And you see, you got your little breadcrumbs here. So we'll go back to the FAQs. And there's the answer. And then we'll go to this one. Again, you click on edit. And then add an image. And you can see here there's numerous things you can do. Add a button, go on to more, and it goes into all the content blocks, basic, articles, headlines, buttons. So if you want to add a button to link to somewhere else, it's going to come up by now, just a standard, but then you click on the button, click on your link, and change the text in the button, and then you just add your link here to where you want to link it to. And you can also edit the button, background colors, text, borders, and I've got templates in here, so you can go through these if you like the colors or see one that you like or would like to use. So let's say we like this one. Just click it, and it changes it for you. And then if you're finished with the page, you see publish. So there's how to edit a page, to add your simple frequently asked questions. We added the page, the text. The other video shows you how to add these. And I'll add some more following. Thank you.